welcome to our review of the Leeventi Teleprompter. In today's video we will showcase the use of the Leeventi in different configurations. First of all, we'll give you an overview of the items that are included in the package. There are 2 composite plates, 2 frames, 1 translucent plexiglass screen, a Bluetooth remote control, a mobile phone holder, a black cloth, clips and a couple of screws and stickers. The package also includes a code for the premium Leeventi app that lets you control your script via the remote control.
You can find the link to the app in the video description below. Next up, we will look at how to set up the teleprompter step by step. Remove the protective sticker sheets from the composite panels. Stick 1 frame on each side of the panel and fix the panel with given plastic buttons. Slide the second composite panel horizontally into the frame and secure it as well. Add the stickers for the tablets and smartphones. Take the protective plastic off the screen and slide it into the slanted frame. Position your camera over one of the threads on the plate and fix it in position. Drape the black cover over the construction and use the clips to fix the cover to the plexi screen. Place the base panel on your tripod and secure it with the provided washer. Download the app on your phone and connect your remote to it by holding the Bluetooth button. Position your phone or tablet on the bottom plate and you're good to go. To record this review video, we use the Leeventi Teleprompter to give you a use case scenario. The teleprompter allows you to speak straight to your audience by letting you read while holding eye contact to the camera. This allows video maker to be casual by retaining a professional flow. The composite panels are very solid and easy to assemble. The main selling point of the teleprompter will be its price that makes it affordable for a wide audience of vloggers and YouTubers. The quality of the black cover could be improved. I could imagine a thicker material with Velcro fixtures instead of the clips. Overall, the product is doing everything you want from a teleprompter. It's a simple solution for diverse needs and shows that teleprompters do not have to be expensive to do their job.